What is going on? Oh, my chip clip. Okay. Hi, honeys. I'm holding my phone together with a chip clip in case you missed that earlier. Okay. Let's throw the hair back up. I need this oatmeal mask on my face.
So we're going to put the oatmeal mask on my face now.
I keep it in the refrigerator, so it's pretty thick and it's cold. So I usually get just a tad bit of water. Like I just wet my hand with it, or my hand's wet. And that just gives it, I don't know, it seems to give it enough moisture to loosen it up enough so it spreads pretty easily. I could have probably used a tad bit more water, but, oh, it's my nose. It's working okay. I love the way this smells. This is actually just oatmeal and water. There's nothing else. That feels so good. It smells so good. My hands are too dirty to cut this video off right now, so. And now they're too wet. Okay, now they're just right. Hey, this is what it looks like when it's very, very dry, because I got sidetracked. A lot of times I just wash this mask off with a warm rag, but this time, not only do I love to use this, I made this, by the way. It smells very good. And it feels so good. I'm actually going to use a little bit of this. It's mostly Himalayan salt, and I also sell this. And I have an email address below. If you want to maybe buy some, you can email me. That would be awesome. I'm about to use this to actually remove this mask while simultaneously getting the benefits from what I made this with, the Himalayan salt, and there's a lot of coconut oil in it, and my skin's going to be so soft after I take this off. Just watch. So I have a clean spoon. Giving this a little mix. And then I don't even need a whole lot of it. Put that in my hand like that. I'll just get my other hand wet. It's not holding water or anything, but it is a little wet. I'm going to rinse this off with warm water, and it should come off a lot faster.
Okay, now it feels good.
Okay. It's very soft. The redness is gone. I had a little redness before. Look, I had a few little spots that looked like they were trying to pop up. Gone already. I woke up like that a few hours ago, and they're gone. And that is the bamboo mask, followed up after half an hour to an hour with just a plain oatmeal mask, and then my Himalayan salt face scrub. And it's so soft. It feels good. It smells good. But I don't know, the night is still young. I might not be through masking it's storming outside and